What's up, guys? It's Japa Rico here. So today we are going to start our new series, which is about Japa Rico reacting to other traders. So this is a series that I've been running on my Portuguese channel for almost 2 months now, and this is the first video that I'm going to do in English on my English channel. So let's get started. Today, the first trader I'm going to react to is trader Dale. In this video he talks about the price movement of Bitcoin BTC/USD using a tool called volume profile indicator. So let's get started.
Currently I'm looking at Bitcoin because Bitcoin has been trending quite strongly recently. So this is a 30-minute time frame of Bitcoin, and this is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made.
He uses the Ninja 8 trading platform. I use TradingView, so they're different platforms, but yeah, I don't think, later we are going to take a look at the indicator he's using. I don't think that this indicator with these settings is also available on TradingView. I don't think so. I was searching for the same indicator, but I couldn't find it.
Volume profile and VWAP indicators, and because the price of Bitcoin is steeply rising, I'm looking for a place to buy.
And Bitcoin is very difficult to analyze because it's a very different product. When you even comparing to other crypto products, is really hard to analyze. I'm kind of surprised that he chose Bitcoin to analyze Bitcoin using this volume profile indicator. But let's see.
What I do when there's a trend like this, I use a flexible volume profile, this tool, and I look into the trend area and look for significant volume clusters. Those are the volume clusters.
So when you see things like this, like volume clusters, he's basically saying when you have, you have like tops and bottoms. So you see some kind of, it's similar to a histogram kind of chart, right? So when you have the volume being plotted here on the bottom of the screen, that volume is not in, it doesn't refer to like for each price. And in this case it does. So for example, when you have like this price, you can see the volume being plotted here because it indicates like how many ticks you got for that exact price. So and you see that he's saying that here, when you see that the more he moves to the right indicates the more number of ticks. So here you see a huge volume on this volume profile indicator, which indicates to you that around this price at 40,815, there is a lot of ticks. So there is a lot of volume being traded to the upside and also to the downside. So a lot of, you don't know if they are buy orders or sell orders. You just know that there is a lot of transactions going on.
Clusters.
And those things he's calling clusters, by the way.
Significant volume bumps, which show me where heavy volumes were traded.
Yes,
so
exactly what I said.
The closest heavy volume cluster is currently this one. I mean closest to the current price. So this is where the price is likely to react if it retraces to that level. This is the beginning of that heavy volume cluster at 40,815, and as I was saying, if the price drops to this level, chances are that there'll be a reaction, as the buyers from this zone will most likely want to become active again and push the price upwards from this zone, because clearly this zone is important for them. That's why they placed a lot of their positions here, as you can see on the volume profile.
So basically his idea is that when you have accumulation of volume at a certain price, This serves as a level of support and resistance. In this case, in this specific scenario, it serves as support. So once the price bounces back, so there is a correction, okay? So after this correction, is more likely that price is going to accumulate and do another push up, okay? So in PVSRA, we call it like a zigzag pattern. So it's a zigzag. So it's a zigzag pattern. And here he says that after after the price goes back to this cluster, then it will continue on a bullish trend. This is what he's saying.
So what we need to do now is just wait for this pullback, take a shot there, and hope for the best. So.
But you know, yeah, so it's like a hope for the best. But today, so he recorded this on December the 4th. And right now is December the 5th. And it's still on the 30-minute chart. Price hasn't bounced back. I'm going to show to you guys that price, that the price hasn't come to this level yet. Anyways.
That's the closest support on Bitcoin. Just be careful. Bitcoin could be pretty volatile, so make sure your stop loss is wide enough and that you are sticking to your money management and that you manage your risk properly. So that's for Bitcoin.
Okay, so that's for Bitcoin. I'm gonna show to you guys that what is going on right now with Bitcoin. So here we are. So guys, here we are on the 30-minute chart. And as you guys can see, price hasn't come back to the 40,815 level yet. So right now, price is being negotiated at 42,296 US dollars, as you guys can see. So even on the 30-minute chart, price hasn't come back to that level yet. And if you look, if you try to find the level, that level would be here, 815. So would be around here. But if you look for this price on the volume profile indicator, the one that I plotted, because I couldn't find the one that he's using. He probably made it, he probably coded by himself. I really don't know why, like how he did it. But I tried so many different profile volume indicators. If you go here to indicators and you type volume profile, and I tried each single one of these ones that are come on the top of the list, and I've also tried the ones that come here. I've tried not all of them because there's so many, but I tried some of them, but I couldn't find anyone that would show me at 40,815 that would show me a cluster. So if you go to 40,815, you see that this is not a cluster because the volume is so small. So I really don't know how he plotted that. If you guys know how he plotted that, what kind of indicator or what kind of settings that he's using, please let me know, because I really don't know. So even if I go here to settings, I don't really know if he played with these numbers, if he modified anything on these figures here. So if you know that he did, please let me know. And what else? So that was the video for today, guys. I really don't know much about like the settings that he's using. I don't even know about the indicator, the specific volume profile indicator that he's using. I really think he coded by himself. And yeah, in that case, it's really hard because once that we are on different platforms, he's using NinjaTrader, I'm using TradingView. And secondly, so even if I get his indicator, I will not be able to use it right away. I have to still somehow do some reverse engineering and code it again for PineScript, which is the script that TradingView uses. So that was the React video for today, guys. If you know how Trader Dale is using, if you know any additional information that you can give me, please let me know, and hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.